I'm so proud to be a trusted event supplier at Hatfield Park, and back in January I had the pleasure of taking part in their beautiful wedding open day. The venue in use for weddings is the Old Palace, a breathtaking space built around 1485 by the Bishop of Ely, John Morton. It features incredible examples of medieval brickwork and holds a deep historical significance. It's where Queen Elizabeth I spent much of her childhood and her first Council of State, which was held in the banqueting hall of the palace. For the event, I created a winter-inspired floral archway, drawing from the natural beauty around me in late winter, particularly the bare sculptural quality of winter trees. The arch was built entirely foam-free, using chicken wire as the main base. I used a mix of fresh evergreen foliage, including ivy, alongside bare branches, some still clinging onto their autumnal leaves. The very top of the arch was left intentionally sparse to mimic a tree that shed its summer canopy, evoking a true sense of winter stillness. To add height and texture, I incorporated forage teasel, which worked beautifully thanks to its naturally varied stem angles. I also found some oak branches that had held onto their burnt orange leaves right through to January. This touch added warmth and depth to the overall palette. I finished the design with subtle floral accents tucked throughout. While these weren't in a water source, they were chosen with care for a short-term installation, as the event only lasted a few hours. For longer events, I would always use grave spikes filled with water or individual water tubes to keep blooms hydrated. I was absolutely thrilled with the final result. It truly reflected the season, stayed true to the natural brief, and brought to life the vision I had sketched out beforehand. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more floral diaries and local adventures. See you in the next one.